In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on Messenger. This is going to be super easy, guys, for you. Just follow me step by step, and if you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you, guys. Now, to get this done, first of all, you need to go to Play Store and ensure that your Messenger app is up to date. So you are going to open Play Store. Then you are going to search for Messenger, and you are going to check and confirm that your Messenger is up to date. Now, as you can see, mine is up to date. Now, once you confirm that, you need to tap on open. Then it will land you on your Messenger. Now, you need to tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then go to settings. Then you need to scroll down. Then tap on privacy and safety. Then once you are here, you just need to scroll down again. Then you are going to see restricted accounts. Just tap on it. Then you are going to see the list of your restricted accounts there. Now, in order to add someone to your restricted account list, you need to tap on that profile icon at your top right corner. Then you need to search for the person that you want to restrict his or her account. So let's say, for example, I want to restrict the second person on my list there, the suggested person. I'm just going to tap on his profile. Then, as you can see, the person has been restricted there, and the person has been added to your list. That's how you can restrict someone on Messenger. Now, if you found value from this video, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.